afternoon, friends. Welcome to Billionaire Traders Club. This is Ayan, and I'm coming live to you at 12 o'clock on 28th of October 2021, and let us move on to the global indices and how they are performing at the moment. So let's look into the markets, beginning with the Asian markets and how they have closed at about 12 p.m. now. Nikkei, on a summary note, Asian markets are all negative. Nikkei is down by 278 points. Australian and New Zealand markets have also closed in the negative. Chinese markets, Shanghai down by 46 points. Sichuan down by 97 points. China A50 down by 62 points. Dow Jones Shanghai by 6 points. Hang Seng down by 84 points. Taiwan down by 32 points. Kospi down by about 15 points at 12 o'clock. The European markets haven't opened, and yesterday they did close in red. Dow Jones, the US markets did close negative. Nasdaq about 0.1 points up. The VIX did rise up a bit, closed at 16.98. Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex all negative. Sensex at 1149.50, down by 439.75 points. Nifty Bank down by 526.45 points. Nifty 50 down by 154.60 points. Let's look into the Dow futures, and with that let's look into the components. Shall refresh the page. Dow Jones showing up. Let's come back to Dow Jones and Nifty. Let's look into the components first, and we did see in the morning that Nifty PSU banks were negative, about 3% down. Now I think they have recovered a bit, but still the biggest loser or the least gainer, about minus 2.82%. Nifty Realty, Metal, Energy and Financial Services making up the top or the bottom 5. Nifty 50 US dollars, Nifty MNC, Nifty Auto, Nifty Infrastructure, Nifty 50 making up the least losers, or the we can't call it the highest gainers, but they are stable. They are not they have the least losers at the moment. We will look into the US dollars. If it is Dow futures at the moment. So in the morning we saw that Dow futures was pretty much bearish, and the scene has not changed. From yesterday 8 o'clock, after the markets opened, it has crashed, or seems to have corrected quite a big way, and as of 12 o'clock, USD INR has fallen and has fallen below 75, currently trading at 75.83, 74.83. US dollar index, let's look into the chart, and below 200 moving average at on a 5 minutes chart. On a 15 minutes chart, it's also bearish and is definitely below 94 and at 93.828. Looking into the crude oil market at 12:05, after starting at the bottom, gapping down, it has tried and attempted to move up, and this might be a good sign for those who are looking into trading in crude oil in the evening, and a bit of bullishness might be good for the commodities market and overall global market. And gold is